Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate net working days in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, here I have the data of some projects name and their starting date and ending date. The requirement here is to find out the net working days, because to calculate the net working days I have to subtract the weekends and the holidays. Here I have listed the holidays that falls between the start and end date of the projects. So in this case, to calculate the net working days here in the column D, I can use a function in Excel, that is net work days function. So press equal to, type net work days. Here you can see two functions are given related with net work days. The second one is networkdays.intl. I'll also explain the use of this second function here in the column E. First, let me take the network days function by double clicking. In the start date parameter, click on the starting date, put a comma, and in the end date, click on the ending date of the project, put a comma, and in holidays, select the holiday range. Then lock this range, because when we copy the formula down, this range should remain fixed. For that, press the F4 key in the keyboard. That applies the dollar symbol before the column name and row number. Now close bracket, press enter. Here you see the net working days for this project is 45 days. Now you can use the fill handle to drag the formula for other projects. In this network days function, the default weekend is taken as Saturday and Sunday, but in some countries the weekend may be different. Like in my country, the weekend is on Saturday only. So in case of a different weekend, then we have to use the next function, which is networkdays.intl. So here in the column E, let me calculate network days by considering Saturday is weekend. For that, press equal to, type net and select this networkdays.intl function. Provide the start date, comma, end date, comma. Then here in the weekend, we have to select the type of weekend. Here I am going to take Saturday only. If you have a different weekend system, then you can choose from the list. Let me double click on this number 17. Put a comma, then in the holidays, select the holiday range and lock this range by pressing the F4 key. Close bracket and press enter. And here you see, by taking the Saturday as weekend, the net working days is 54 days. Now you can drag the formula for other projects. So in this way, we can calculate the net working days in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up rating on that like button. And I also request you to subscribe the channel to get similar types of video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching this video.